How to fix Windows 11 24H2 games crashing or not responding or opening. So this usually or generally happens all the time after doing an operating system update on Windows 11 24H2. But a quick fix for games crashing in Windows 11 24H2 is to disable Auto HDR, as this is a known cause of the issue according to Microsoft. Do that, all you have to do is go into your Windows icon, and then from here just immediately type in graphics, and then go to graphic settings. Now you won't be able to see further informations from here because the operating system or the device that I'm using right now does not support HDR. So all you have to do from here, depending on the game that you are playing is crashing, to simply turn off or disable your HDR option temporarily and try to rerun the game. If this is not working, then most of the time, while doing an update for Windows 11 24H2, all you can do is to re-update it once again to make sure that it is completely fully loaded, especially with your operating system drivers. So those are the basic things that you can do for you to fix Windows 11 24H2 games crashing, not responding, or opening.